Vego Garden self-watering rolling tomato planter pot with trellis. If you are short on space but big on garden dreams, the Vego Garden self-watering rolling tomato planter is a smart compact solution, especially for urban gardeners, apartment dwellers, or anyone looking to grow tomatoes, cucumbers, or other climbing plants with ease. Design and features. This planter stands out for its self-watering reservoir, which holds up to 2.4 gallons of water. The built-in gog and adjustable lever give you control over water levels, helping prevent overwatering, a common issue with container gardening. It's ideal for hot summer months when consistent moisture is key. The integrated trellis is both sturdy and attractive, supporting vertical growth for winning crops. The rolling base with lockable wheels allows for easy mobility, so you can move the planter around to catch optimal sunlight or roll it into storage during off-season months. The planter body is made from a recycled plastic and wheat straw biocomposite, making it both durable and eco-conscious. Its modern, minimalist design blends well with most patios, balconies, or porches. Assembly experience. Assembly is straightforward, though the trellis setup can be a bit tricky and time-consuming. Using an electric screwdriver is highly recommended to speed up the process, especially when securing the multiple parts of the trellis. Performance. Once set up, this planter does a great job at keeping the soil evenly moist, and the deep reservoir encourages strong root development. Our test plants, tomatoes and pole beans, showed healthy growth within 2 weeks. The drainage system also prevents root rot even after heavy summer rains. Pros. Excellent for small spaces. Self-watering system reduce maintenance. Sturdy trellis for vertical crops. Easy to move with locking wheels. Sustainable materials. Cons. Assembly may take longer than expected. Wheels struggle slightly on uneven surfaces. Price may be high for beginner gardeners. Final thoughts. The Vego Garden self-watering rolling planter is a well-designed and functional product for anyone wanting to grow tomatoes or climbing vegetables in a small or mobile garden setup. It combines convenience, sustainability, and smart design, making it especially ideal for summer gardening on patios or balconies.